Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a little haul for you from Scrap Diva Designs. Erica asked me to guest design again for her, so I was thrilled, of course, and said yes immediately. So she sent me this huge packet of dies that I am so looking forward to creating with because they're all so fun looking, and she knows that I love to make baking and, kitchen-y type theme projects. So that's what most of this is. So thank you so much, Erica. And if anybody wants to purchase any of these, if you use my discount code strawberry10, you'll get 10% off of your order of $10 or more. It doesn't get me anything. It just shows Erica that you saw something on my video and you liked. But, feel free to use any discount code that you find out there. Just offering you mine. All right, so we are going to go through these and I'll show you what I received, and then I'm going to get started working with them. But I wanted to come on and show you all these fun dies first. So this one is called the Baking Shaker Plates, and this comes with 4 different plates of teeny tiny little baking images that you can use in your shaker mixes, as well as small embellishments, as bow centers, just anything you could think of for these cute tiny little die cuts. So the first one is a little cutting board. You can use that as a mini charcuterie board. It's even got the embossed lines of the wood grain in there, so that is super cute. This one is tiny chef's hats, which has also embossing in the hat too. These are so cute. And the sizes, just to give you a quick idea, these are a little bit, almost a little bit more than ½ an inch in length. Yeah, so a good size, small but not too teeny tiny. You can, use these in different projects. And on the back we have the oven mitts. Look how many you get. And if you just run this through your die cutting machine once, you get 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 times 4, what's that, 32? 32 oven mitts just cut out perfectly right there. And they're in different, they face different directions too, which is nice depending on what project you want to use them on. And then there are teeny tiny rolling pins. Oh my gosh, I love these. I could see either paper piecing them, just cutting them apart on those embossed lines there, or just coloring in the ends to, just give them a little bit of a different look. So how fun are those? I'll link all the projects, or I'm sorry, all the products down below as well, just to make it easier for you to find them on the website. And then the next one we have is another set of shaker plates, and this one is the Christmas shaker plates. So this one has teeny tiny little mittens, and they have little stars there. Do they cut out or are they just embossed? It looks like they just emboss. I can't really be sure though until I try it out, but I'll come back and let you know what those look like. Here are teeny snowflakes. These will be excellent to use in all sorts of paper crafting projects besides shaker, shaker mixes. And then on the back, there are little pine trees. Very cute. I could see making these in all sorts of different shades of green and blue and maybe some glitter, white paper. That would be beautiful. And then here are little Santa hats. Again, you could paper piece them, make a white brim and then a red hat or whatever color you want, or just color it in, maybe with a gel pen or something. It'd be fun if you did some embossing there with that. There's a embossing powder that looks like snow, which I still have to try. I do have it, so maybe I'll try it with this. So anyway, that is the Christmas shaker plates, just like the baking ones, but obviously Christmas icons. Okay, the next set that Erica sent me are is the candy cane numbers. So this looks so cool on the website. It has all the different numbers, and there's a background piece, and then the layering piece has cutouts to make it look like candy canes. And it might be hard to see here, but if you look on the website for the examples, you can really see how they look like candy canes. So you could cut the base piece in red and then cut the top out in like a white or a white glitter, put it on top, and it looks like a candy cane. So super cute. This also comes in a letter set as well, but I have the number set. So this will be perfect to use for like a December daily or a card when you use the 2 and the 5 for December 25th. So that'll be really fun. And of course, if you just want to make it like, you know, like a birthday set, you could do that as well and use other colors besides red and white, because I think those candies go, you know, for any season or any holiday, or yeah, any season, depending on what colors you use. So that's that, the candy cane numbers. The next set is the Snowflake straw topper, and I love to use straw toppers. I've decorated straws by using toppers and then put them in a mug by my coffee bar. So it's just a really cute touch. You know, it's decorative. You could do it for Christmas or winter, depending on what colors you use. And it also comes with Merry and Bright, which is really nice. It comes with the shadow piece too. Looks like each letter cuts out individually, but there's not too many of them and they're nice and thick, so it shouldn't be a problem to paper piece that. So there's this snowflake on the front, and on the back there are 2 other ones, and these don't have holes in them. So I'm assuming, I'll have to look at the picture again, but if it goes through there, so maybe this is the back. I don't really know. I'll have to look. It's hard for me sometimes to visualize if I don't see an example, but this is the Snowflake straw topper. Super cute. Looking forward to using some of my Christmas straws for that. And then this set, when I first got this, I thought, oh, I have this already. But no, this is the second version of the kitchen utensil set. This is kitchen utensils number 2. So if you look, there's heart cutouts in these utensils. I love that idea. What a great addition to the kitchen utensils. And even the spoon has a big heart in the center. So how cute is that? And these are like the same shapes, I believe, from the kitchen utensils one set, but just has the hearts on it. So I will compare them definitely when I cut these out, but I'm pretty sure that the hearts are the only difference. I'm not certain, but I love that detail. That is really, really cute. So it'll be nice to use both of them together. I wonder if you could layer these on top of the other ones, and yeah, I'll have to check and see. So yeah, that's the kitchen utensils number 2 set. Okay, the next set, oh, this is so pretty on the website, the examples. This is the shaker gift box, and it's a really nice size gift box too when you put it together, and you can put a big shaker on the front. So this is the other side of the set, and this is it's beautiful border. I saw this on the example, and look at this. It cuts out like a rounded corner rectangle that has stitching and scallop. So I love that. I think this will be a great addition to lots of projects. Not even, you know, I mean, of course, this gift box, but in other projects as well. And it has a frame on the inside, so you could either use that or not, depending on if you're making a shaker or not. So, and then it comes with this bow, a nice stitch bow, which is beautiful. Different layering pieces. This part, I believe, I'm not sure what this is. Probably the ribbon goes through that. And then it comes with some words too that say Christmas magic with the shadow piece, and all of these are connected together, which is so nice about script fonts. And then this one says joy. Always good to have the word joy in your stash. And then this one says treats. So perfect for a little gift box that you can put these together, give them out for treats or favors or your neighbors, things like that. And it's a good size, but it's not too big. You don't have to give people like a dozen cookies, you know, just like a sampling would be good. Or, you know, some candies, whatever. So I'm looking forward to making this for sure. Okay, that's the shaker gift box. Next we have the Christmas tag bundle. And this comes with all of these dies plus these on the back. And this one I thought was so interesting. This looks like 2 dies, but it's actually one, and it has a folding line in the middle. So you could just cut it out once and then fold it together. So that's great. It'll save you time paper piecing, making a layer die. You can even like make it so you can open it up. I think that would be really cute. And it comes with these different snowflakes, which is really nice to have different, you know, different designs in the snowflakes too, and they're a really good size. This tag size is a nice size too. It's about 4 1/4 inches long. And then if you folded it, it would be about 2 3/8 or about 2 3/8. So really, really pretty. On the other side, there's a layering piece too that cuts out the little stars on the corners right there, which is super cute. And I do like these little, if you can see that, the little lines on the side. I'm curious to see how that looks when you cut it out. I would think it would look kind of like a blanket stitch. I'm not sure. And then it has this outline for the tag that you could use on them as well. And this one has the cute little like hexagons that cut out and make it look like a nice eyelet lace. I love that. And then this comes with a teeny tiny bow. Oh, I love that. Let's see, there's 2 bows, I guess. And they're both small, but one of them's smaller than the other. And this is the reinforcer for the hole at the tag, and that's nice. It's a slit. Usually, you know, tags just have the round hole, but I like the slit. That's nice and different. So yeah, this is a really cute, unique set. Of course, you can use this any time of year, but I will definitely be making some Christmas tags with this because I can never have enough Christmas tags. I think I have plenty, then I go to wrap gifts or send out some happy mail or something, and I need some more. So I'm going to keep making tags until Christmas. So that's the Christmas tag bundle. Okay, now this one I like gasped out loud when I saw this. This is the Oven Mini Album, and if ever a die set was made for me, it was this. So I could see an Oven Mini Album being perfect to put recipes in, right? And yes, that's what the idea is, because here's the oven part, and then you can pop out this word recipes, and it has a shadow piece as well to layer on top. Then there are these, I believe, are like burners on the stove, and there's another detail piece for the stove. I think, again, I have a hard time visualizing things, but I think this is the page for inside where you can write a recipe, and it's got stitching outline and then embossed lines to write your recipes on. So that can be popped out of the frame. So I love that. Oh, this is so nice, and it's a really good size too. This is a, let's see how big this, well, the frame will be about 4 inches by 5 inches. So yeah, that's really good size. You can write a recipe on here. You know, some recipe cards are so small, but this one you can really, fit some good information on. And on the back, look at all the things on the back. Oh my gosh, that's the stove top, which, okay, yeah, that's where those layering pieces go to make the burners. There's even like embossed lines there for the dials. And yeah, there are the knobs or the dials for the oven. And look, it even has a little arrow. How cute is that? And then here's a frame for the stove, and it has an outside frame and then an inner stitch frame as well. And then there's the oven door that has, that's a frame, so I assume you can make that into a shaker, which is so nice. That'll be perfect. And look at all of these details added. Look at the vegetables. All right, I'm gonna see if I can name all these vegetables. There's an eggplant, an onion, pumpkin, that looks like a beet or a turnip. That looks like a pepper, another kind of pepper, a carrot, and maybe like a sweet potato. I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong on those, but that's what they look like to me. And this mixing bowl, I love this. It's got little stars embossed there, and that's a really good size too. The mixing bowl itself is, it's 1 5/8 inches across, and then 1 1/8 inch from top to bottom. So that would be good to use, sit this on top of the stove and add some of the vegetables inside. How cute would that be? And it comes with a little chef's hat too. So if you have a gingerbread guy or Santa, you can add this to him, make him look like a little baking gingerbread or baking Santa. That would be a really cute addition to the front if you want to make this like a Christmas recipe book. So super cute. I am in love with this die set. This will probably be the first one I work with. So again, that's the Oven Mini Album. So, love it. And then the last one I have to share with you today is the shopping bag. This is awesome. I didn't know exactly what it was. I looked on the website, and yes, it's a shopping bag, and it looks super easy to put together. And there are all these accessories too. I love this frame. This one too, it's got the hole for the tag. And these pieces, I forget what they are on the shopping bag, but if you look on my link, you'll see, how they're supposed to be used. And this, I believe, is the bottom of the shopping bag to make it, look like it has like a gusset kind of. So very cute, really nice size, and it'll be fun to put some of the goodies that you make into the shopping bag. So that's what I had to share for you today. Just a quick video to show you all of the nice dies that Erica sent me. Thank you so much, Erica. And I'm going to get started working with these. Again, my discount code is strawberry10 if you want to use that to save 10% on your purchase of $10 or more at scrapdivadesigns.com. All links will be below. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.